The Saeima is one of 188 national parliaments in the world. Its main building has witnessed Latvia's history, and it is an outstanding example of neo-Renaissance architecture. Many high-level foreign guests have acknowledged that the main building of the Saeima is one of the most beautiful parliamentary buildings they have ever seen. Since the 18th century, the main building of the Saeima has served as the headquarters for various powers that adapted it to the ideology and spirit of each particular era. The Throughout the Ages video series offer a chance to view the main building of the Saeima throughout history and to learn about the historic events that have taken place at the Livonian Knighthood building and its vicinity.
Ja mēs skatām Saeimas nama ārtelpu un interjeru veidojumu kā vienotu koptēlu, tad varētu teikt, ka būvniecības vēsturi un izcilie meistari Jānis Fridriks Baumans, Roberts Flūks, Vilhelms Neimanis, Eižens Laube, Andris Veidemanis kopā ir radījuši ēku, tēlu, kas ir pietiekami reprezentabls, pietiekami piesātināts ar vēstures detaļām, ar mākslas priekšmetiem un dod ieskatu par Latvijas būvniecības un politisko vēsturi pārliecinoši.